Okay, so you've got a Canon PIXMA TR4522 or a similar model, and you need to change the ink. So what you're going to do is you reach in there and pull this down, okay? Nice little spot there for your finger, just pull it down, and then you wait for the tray to bring the inks to you. If you're going to change the color's on the left and the black's on the right. But you're just going to grab a hold of the bottom of the cartridge. Sorry. Push down from the top of the cartridge and push down from the top of the cartridge. You just pull those out. These are spent, these are old, there's nothing left in them. Alright, so you're going to take your new cartridge, and in my case this is 244, so I'm replacing it with the 244. Just double check that before you go to replace it. But you're going to pull your new cartridge out of the container, and then you're going to remove this tab. And then you're just going to slide it up in there so that the numbers are facing you so that you can read them. Once you get it in there, you just pull up on it. And then we're going to take our black one out here, which is 243, which, we'll show you here. 243 and 243. So you should verify that just to make sure we've got the right one. Take it out of the container. Same thing, pull the tab off. Slide her up in there. And then once she's in there, pull up. Now all we gotta do is close that, and here in a minute she'll recognize the ink's there and it'll be ready to print. Bye.